Hello and welcome back to our channel. The Victorian era and Art Deco. The Industrial Revolution brought new technology and with it, a new era for diamonds. The Victorian era celebrated intricate designs, often combining diamonds with colored gemstones and lavish, layered creations. But it was the early 20th century and the rise of Art Deco that truly transformed diamond jewelry. The Art Deco movement celebrated symmetry and modernity, with diamonds now being used in sleek, geometric patterns paired with platinum and white gold to create bold, sophisticated pieces. Diamonds in the contemporary world. Today, diamonds are more versatile than ever. No longer reserved for only the elite or grand occasion, diamond jewelry has become a part of everyday style. From minimalist pieces to extravagant, custom-made creations, diamonds are accessible to a new generation. Show a modern jeweler working with tools to create custom diamond pieces. Thanks to advancements in technology and design, diamonds now come in endless shapes, cuts, and styles. Whether it's a classic solitaire ring or a bold statement necklace, there's a diamond for every taste and occasion. Diamonds, more than just a gem. Thanks to advancements in technology and design, diamonds now come in endless shapes, cuts, and styles. Whether it's a classic solitaire ring or a bold statement necklace, there's a diamond for every taste and occasion. Diamonds have also become a versatile fashion statement, adding elegance and sophistication to any outfit. Whether you're dressing up or down, a diamond piece brings a timeless touch to any look. From their mystical beginnings in ancient civilizations to their rise as a symbol of luxury and beauty, diamonds have remained timeless. As technology and design continue to evolve, so too does the legacy of diamond jewelry, a lasting testament to the artistry, innovation, and enduring appeal of these magnificent stones. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more jewelry updates.